fell on some hard times the past 2 years. And it's like, oh, well, you'll pull yourself up out of it. Yeah, well, you'll get this. Man, when you're in a fire, and that fire take everything except the clothes you got on your motherfucking back, and and you're trying to rebuild, that shit is very hard. And you got cats looking at you like, damn, what he on, drugs? And what is it? Nah, I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't smoke cigarettes, none of that, man. My shit burned down, and it's hard to get back up. Back in the day, you'll get back up because you'll know somebody.